Imagine walking through halls where history comes alive, where the struggle for civil rights is not just a story but a palpable experience. Welcome to Washington, D.C.'s most profound museums. From the powerful narratives of prominent figures to interactive displays that highlight key events, these institutions serve as vital resources for history buffs like yourself. The National Museum of African American History and Culture is a must-visit, offering a comprehensive look at African American history, culture, and the ongoing struggle for civil rights. Opened in September 2016, this museum is the only national museum dedicated exclusively to documenting African American life, history, and culture. The architectural design, a stunning blend of contemporary and traditional styles, pays homage to African heritage while inviting you to explore multifaceted narratives. Divided into three main sections, history, culture, and community, each features compelling artifacts, interactive exhibits, and multimedia presentations. One of the museum's highlights is its extensive collection of exhibits dedicated to the civil rights movement, allowing you to grasp the magnitude of the struggle for equality and justice. Through immersive displays, photographs, and personal testimonies, you will journey from early abolitionist efforts to the ongoing fight for civil rights in contemporary America. Encounter stories of prominent figures like Martin Luther King Jr., Malcolm X, and many unsung heroes who stood up for justice. Admission to the museum is free, although timed entry passes are encouraged, especially during peak visiting seasons. The museum is fully accessible, offering wheelchairs and assistive listening devices to ensure every visitor can enjoy the exhibits. Next, the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial honors the legacy of the civil rights leader and serves as a powerful reminder of the movement's impact. Dedicated in 2011, the memorial features a 30-foot statue of King, known as the Stone of Hope, flanked by quotes from his speeches etched in the surrounding walls. The design reflects the ideals and determination of King as he envisioned a world free from injustice. The memorial serves as a focal point for various educational programs and discussion forums that highlight the historical context of King's activism. Nearby, the Lincoln Memorial is where King delivered his iconic "I Have a Dream" speech, enriching your visit with historical significance. The National Museum of American History captures the essence of cultural transformation over the decades, from the Revolutionary War to modern times. The museum houses significant artifacts like the original hat worn by Rosa Parks and the microphone from Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech. Throughout the year, the museum hosts lectures, panel discussions, and special exhibits that focus on the stories of ordinary citizens who participated in the civil rights movement. The United States Holocaust Memorial Museum serves as a stark reminder of the atrocities committed during the Holocaust and stands as a testament to the resilience of humanity. Memorializing the millions of lives lost to systematic violence and discrimination allows you to grasp how crucial it is to protect civil rights today. The museum offers numerous significant displays that illustrate not only the horrors of the Holocaust but also the overarching theme of human rights violations. Educational resources include guided tours, workshops, and lectures that explore the historical context of the Holocaust and its implications on today's human rights efforts. The National Archives Museum is home to the Charters of Freedom, which include the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and the Bill of Rights. These documents represent the foundation of American democracy and embody the principles that have fueled various civil rights movements throughout history. Special exhibits often focus on significant civil rights movements, displaying artifacts and narratives that highlight the challenges and triumphs faced by activists. The African American Civil War Museum offers a profound glimpse into the experiences and sacrifices of African American soldiers during the Civil War. The museum hosts a variety of displays, including authentic artifacts from the Civil War era, which help bring the past to life. Community programs and collaborations include workshops, lectures, and educational outreach tailored for schools, allowing participants to immerse themselves in the stories of African American soldiers. Your journey through the National Civil Rights Museum offers a profound insight into the history and struggle for civil rights in America. Located at the former Lorraine Motel in Memphis, Tennessee, this museum stands as a testament to the ongoing fight for equality and justice. As you plan your excursion, remember that each museum offers a unique perspective and an opportunity for reflection on the struggle for equality and justice. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep the dialogue alive.